Zed AI versus Cursor Editor comparison. If you're looking for the best AI code editor in 2025, let's break down Zed AI and Cursor Editor so you can pick the right tool for your workflow. To start, Cursor Editor is perfect if you want intelligent code assistance. It acts almost like an expert coding partner, predicting your changes and even suggesting full code refactors before you finish typing. Cursor's AI understands your whole project, not just your open file, making it an amazing modern development and debugging tool. If you use VS Code, the switch feels natural and you'll notice AI features like smart chat, code completions, and advanced refactoring for a productivity boost. However, pro features do usually require a monthly subscription. On the other hand, Zed AI stands out for its speed and collaborative power. Built from scratch for performance, Zed loads fast, stays lightweight, and excels when working alongside other developers thanks to its real-time multiplayer coding. Zed weaves in AI enhancements that suggest useful edits without taking over your workflow, and its open source design appeals to anyone who values transparency. You get efficient resource from use and robust collaboration, but its AI is a bit less advanced right now compared to Cursor. Zed is free at launch, but some features may eventually require premium access. In summary, if you want a deep AI-driven assistance and incredibly smart code suggestions, go with Cursor Editor, but if you needed lightning-fast performance and seamless teamwork, Zed is the way to go. Try them both to see which feels best for your projects. Subscribe.